entrance and some sneaky passages. Under here there's a secret passage that I'm not going to show you. Nearly done.
Wow.
Now let's test my lovely marble run. Okay, so this is the starting point and this is the finish point. It seems easy because they're close to each other, but in the real thing is not so easy. I'm just testing this. Let's start. Oh! Let's do it again. What? I came back again? I'll try and get the third pass. For 2 times I went back to the starting point because I built a secret path in here. Look, as you can see, there are 3 entrances, 1, 2 and 3. And the third one is the correct one. I'm trying to go there. Let's go back out. It's very hard because I put these 2 in front that just allow us to go here, so we have to stop here and try and go there. Do the trick, look. This goes back. Yes! I made it! You can see I made a France flag here. This is the maze. You can have lots of alternatives to go. Oh no! Okay, so now this is a little ramp. Okay. The right path on the right side is very hard because it is right in the middle. Yay! And here I did that zigzag shape. Let's see if I can do it. And I finished! Let's see if Julie can do it. Julie! Julie!
I'm here.
I made a lovely marble run. Do you want to try it?
Yes, it seems so amazing.
This is the starting point and this is the finish point.
It will be so hard. Let me try. How am I meant to do it? Should I keep this in my hand?
Yeah, and then move it like that.
Oh. I thought... I just made it.
Oh
no! Yay. Why is it $5? This is so hard. This bit is so the hardest bit. I'm so quick. I don't... It seems more difficult. Oh my gosh, this bit is so hard. Why do I think... Yay. Even this bit is so hard. What is this ramp doing here? I'm nearly there. I'm so quick. I made it, Danny.
Yeah.
It's the best thing I ever tried in my whole life.
Wait, look at another track.
Wow, that's so gigantic.
You gonna try it?
Yes, and there's even people waiting for us.
Hi guys, there is a marble race just about to start.
We cannot wait for this race to start.
Wait for me. Hip hip, hooray. Hip hip, hooray for Danny and Julie. Woohoo. How does it work?
It's a marble race, Julie. You'll have to make your marble pass from the start to the end. The start is here and the end is... here.
Before we start playing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderlab. Let's see who will be the first, second and third on the podium. Look, first, second, third.
Okay, so I start because this is my game. So first we have a slide and a tunnel. I'm gonna throw my marble. So my marble is the blue one and it arrived here. Now it's Julie's turn.
I think mine is. Oh wait. Whoa.
Okay, now it's my turn. Okay,
No. I'm so
my
behind.
turn.
Oh. It's your turn, Danny.
Oh.
Oh yes, I made it through.
Now
Wait,
it's
guys.
it's there.
I went all the way down here instead of going here
That's my turn.
Here.
because this is a secret tunnel.
Okay, Julie.
See, my marble is right here. Now I'm gonna throw it.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Ooh. No, you went through. No, we.
Oh, I'm here now, so it's my turn. This tunnel, there are 3 different exits. 1, 2, and 3. You'll have to get the right one.
Danny, I think I got the right one because look right here. No!
That's my turn. I think, where was I?
You are
Under here. Where am I? Here. I'm right here. Oh, yay! I got the right one.
Julie.
Oh, yay!
Where am
That's my turn there. Okay, Julie's turn.
No.
My turn.
So close.
Yay, I won! Yay!
Yay!
Second place of this marble run is Julie, the red marble. And in first place is Danny, the blue marble. If we play in 3 people, we can even put someone here. If we played 4, one can go here.
Let's do another match. It's too nice. Now, I am going to start. Woo!
Now it's my turn. Ooh, yes. Ooh, she's right under there. Mine's here, mine's there.
Where am I?
You're under the tunnel.
Where? I can't see. Oh, wait.
She's there.
Oh. I'm already nearly here.
It's my turn.
Danny, you can go under here and then you're going to go more forward than me.
Okay.
Oh, I went so close.
I'm gonna go under here.
My turn. Yes, yes, yes.
Ooh,
Oh, look at mine.
I aimed.
Oh. Oh.
Now it's my turn. Oh,
Now it's my turn.
Julie won. Yes.
Let's swing when Danny comes.
Where am I?
Danny, you're so slow. This time I was so lucky.
Oh no, where's the marble? Where's the marble? I think it's in here.
We lost the marble. Let's check under this.
Oh,
Oopsie.
Where's the marble? The marble's right here. The marble's right here. Oh, it's under here. It's under here. My hand.
Oh no.
Okay, there we go. I found it.
The marble truck is eating Danny's hand.
That was so funny.
Let's close this. Let's put this technical issue. Sorry.
And
This
Danny,
back here. And let's get my marble. Where is it now? There. Okay.
Oh.
for second place in the second round is Danny, the blue marble, and in first place is Julie.
We have to do one more match because I won 1, Julie won 1, and now it's the final match.
For the third and final match, we have to do rock, paper, scissors to see who starts.
Okay, fair enough. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
I won, so I start.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is going to be the last match of Danny and Julie Wonderlab Marble Trap. Let's see if Danny can make her and then Julie can pass.
Do shout them, Danny. Julie.
Danny.
Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.
What?
Where's my marble?
Here.
Danny, I'm going to show you how you have to throw a real marble. Told you I'm going to throw a
Your turn.
Wow.
My turn.
I'm so lucky. I'm here again.
Oh,
What did I
you're
do?
out, Julie.
Yay! What's in here?
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Julie. My turn.
My turn.
Where's my mum?
It's right here. I can see it.
Where is it?
I think this time Danny's gonna win. I'm thinking Danny's the champion.
Yay!
Let's see when I can come up the end.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Nearly
8,
there.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yay!
What would you like to say about this tournament?
So, for this Lego Maze tournament, set in second place, it is Julie, the red marble. But the winner is Danny, the blue marble.
Yay!
Danny, congratulations.
Fresh air of victory.
Congratulations! Guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Bye!